I'm going to the store tomorrow. I'm going to the store tomorrow. She is reading a book in the park. She is reading a book in the park. They are cooking dinner together tonight. They are cooking dinner together tonight. He is cleaning his room this afternoon. He is cleaning his room this afternoon. We are watching a movie later. We are watching a movie later. She is learning to play the piano. She is learning to play the piano. He is riding his bike to school today. He is riding his bike to school today. They are painting the walls in their house. They are painting the walls in their house. I'm studying for my exam right now. I'm studying for my exam right now. She is walking her dog in the morning. She is walking her dog in the morning. He is playing soccer with his friends. He is playing soccer with his friends. They are building a sandcastle at the beach. They are building a sandcastle at the beach. I'm writing a letter to my cousin. I'm writing a letter to my cousin. She is baking cookies for the party. She is baking cookies for the party. We are having lunch at a new cafe today. We are having lunch at a new cafe today. I'm eating breakfast with my family. I'm eating breakfast with my family. She is brushing her hair in front of the mirror. She is brushing her hair in front of the mirror. They are playing a board game in the living room. They are playing a board game in the living room. He is watering the plants in the garden. He is watering the plants in the garden. We are taking a walk around the neighborhood. We are taking a walk around the neighborhood. She is drawing a picture of the sky. She is drawing a picture of the sky. He is fixing his bike in the garage. He is fixing his bike in the garage. They are reading stories before bedtime. They are reading stories before bedtime. I'm making a sandwich for lunch. I'm making a sandwich for lunch. She is dancing to her favorite song. She is dancing to her favorite song. He is studying math for his test tomorrow. He is studying math for his test tomorrow. They are feeding their pets before dinner. They are feeding their pets before dinner. I'm writing in my journal every evening. I'm writing in my journal every evening. She is sending an email to her teacher. She is sending an email to her teacher. We are cleaning the house on Saturday morning. We are cleaning the house on Saturday morning. I'm drinking water after my workout. I'm drinking water after my workout. She is buying new shoes at the store. She is buying new shoes at the store. They are washing their car in the driveway. They are washing their car in the driveway. He is listening to music on his phone. He is listening to music on his phone. We are meeting our friends at the park. We are meeting our friends at the park. She is making a list of things to do today. She is making a list of things to do today. He is checking the weather before going outside. He is checking the weather before going outside. They are packing their bags for the trip. They are packing their bags for the trip. I'm watching the sunset from my window. I'm watching the sunset from my window. She is learning how to cook pasta for dinner. She is learning how to cook pasta for dinner. He is playing video games with his brother. He is playing video games with his brother. They are practicing English every day after school. They are practicing English every day after school. I'm organizing my books on the shelf. I'm organizing my books on the shelf. She is planning a trip to the zoo next weekend. She is planning a trip to the zoo next weekend. We are setting the table for dinner right now. We are setting the table for dinner right now. I'm reading a short story before bed. I'm reading a short story before bed. She is calling her friend to chat about the day. She is calling her friend to chat about the day. They are playing basketball in the backyard. They are playing basketball in the backyard. He is writing a thank you card for his teacher. He is writing a thank you card for his teacher. We are going to the library to study together. We are going to the library to study together. She is learning how to swim at the pool. She is learning how to swim at the pool. He is helping his dad cook dinner tonight. He is helping his dad cook dinner tonight. They are choosing a movie to watch this evening. They are choosing a movie to watch this evening. I'm picking flowers from the garden for the table. I'm picking flowers from the garden for the table. She is packing her lunch for school tomorrow. She is packing her lunch for school tomorrow. He is brushing his teeth before going to sleep. He is brushing his teeth before going to sleep. They are planning their weekend trip to the mountains. They are planning their weekend trip to the mountains. I'm drawing a picture of my favorite animal. I'm drawing a picture of my favorite animal. She is doing her homework at the kitchen table. She is doing her homework at the kitchen table. We are playing with the new puppy in the yard. We are playing with the new puppy in the yard. I'm charging my phone before bed. I'm charging my phone before bed. She is folding her clothes after doing laundry. She is folding her clothes after doing laundry. They are making breakfast together in the kitchen. They are making breakfast together in the kitchen. We are cleaning up after the party. We are cleaning up after the party. He is practicing guitar for his music class. He is practicing guitar for his music class. She is taking pictures of the flowers in the park. She is taking pictures of the flowers in the park. He is writing in his notebook for school. He is writing in his notebook for school. They are drinking hot chocolate by the fire. They are drinking hot chocolate by the fire. I'm packing my suitcase for the vacation. I'm packing my suitcase for the vacation. She is putting her books in her backpack for school. She is putting her books in her backpack for school. He is playing chess with his friend after lunch. He is playing chess with his friend after lunch. They are washing their hands before eating dinner. They are washing their hands before eating dinner. I'm making my bed as soon as I wake up. I'm making my bed as soon as I wake up. We are sitting on the porch, enjoying the breeze. We are sitting on the porch, enjoying the breeze. She is feeding the birds in the backyard. She is feeding the birds in the backyard.